So today I'm going to run you through a really cool SOP that we put together to make sure that your Amazon title is compliant. And this SOP includes also this great tool that PPC Ninja put together, a really helpful GPT that you can automatically input your existing title on your listing in and just ask ChatGPT to make sure that it's compliant and still make sure that you're going to have a great click-through rate. What I love about this tool that PPC Ninja put together is it not only recommends a new title that is compliant, but it also runs down why the changes were made and tells you the final character count. It's super, super helpful for people who need to shorten their title to make sure that it's compliant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a really simple split test based on the suggestion that I got from PPC Ninja's ChatGPT. And I'm going to run it based on this meat thermometer that you can see, the existing title and compared to the new title to just make sure that it's still going to perform. In Intellivy, you always want to clarify in the question what the poll is that you're running. So I wanted to clarify that I want to understand the title, why you would choose one over the other. And the great thing with our split testing, our dual comparison poll, is you just really simply input an ASIN. Our platform fetches the ASIN. We'll keep one as is, and then we'll do the same thing and fetch the same ASIN. So it's really side by side, the same product. The only thing that will be different will be the title. So I'll go ahead, grab that title directly from PPC Ninja's amazing tool and put that inside of the second part of my dual comparison poll. And it's important to note also when I'm running this poll that I am going to modify what is shown so that the consumers that are answering this poll, the respondents, are really only focused on the two different titles. I don't want to distract them with anything else besides the main listing image and the title to really have a simulated marketplace experience. I'm going to go ahead and take these votes down to 50. This is a really inexpensive poll, $45. I think we'll get, statistical significance very easily with just a smaller amount of respondents. You can see here I went ahead and hopped right over to the results. You can see that the shorter title won, so that's really good. Gives me confirmation and that this is the right change to make, and I don't need to think through another version of my title. I can feel good about its performance. And then, as is all of Intellivy's polls, you can really dive deep into the results of each individual response that you got. You can see the demographic, whether it's male, female, their age range, and really also maybe learn more about what consumers think about your product, your main listing image and title that can help you make additional changes to optimize if you'd like. So just run through the details if you like to see if there are more interesting insights to take out. And then our AI summary just clearly tells you which one wins the poll and why, and it will help you change your title with confidence. So good luck everyone keeping everything compliant for Amazon's new title changes. Good luck.